Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it filthy. Under the sheets all night.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make spicy garlic shrimp. So I shared the garlic shrimp recipe over here. You can check it out right here. And you guys love this so much. So I decided to share a little even easier version, but more compact flavor, a little different, like a tiny bit different, but it's still really delicious. So let's get started. First, what we're gonna do is make the sauce. So in a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey. And for the spicy part, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of my homemade chili oil with the chili flakes in it. The recipe is right here. Go ahead and check it out, or down below the link. You can click it after you watched this video. You can use just store-bought chili oil as well, but make sure the chili oil with the chili flakes. And if you have just regular chili oil, the clean chili oil, then go ahead and add like a tablespoon of chili flakes and some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. This is it for the sauce, and just mix everything together. This is gonna be real good. Okay, I'm gonna set aside over here, and I'm going to chop 10 cloves of garlic because this is a garlic shrimp.
Slide back in your life like I never left. Climb back in your bed. Ooh, that's a bed.
And chop 3 green onions.
Passes by as we do our thing. See you next season like you are.
1 to 2 red chili, just slice them. So this is optional if this chili oil amount is enough for you. But I think just having some red chili in the food, it gives the people a hint. This is a spicy garlic shrimp, you know what I mean? And if you cannot find the red chili, use green chili, that's fine. Chop some cilantro, just roughly. This also goes into the shrimp. Oh, our spicy garlic shrimp will have a lot of flavor, a lot of fragrance. It's gonna be so good. Okay, now I'm gonna heat a large skillet over high heat and melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Now all you know what's next step. Add the garlic into the butter. Butter and garlic. Good start for anything. You put shoes in here, tastes good. And on the comments, I get a lot of, question about why don't you put salt? Dude, do you know how much sodium in soy sauce, fish sauce, or oyster sauce when I'm adding sauce like that? Salt doesn't need it, that's why. I'm using 2 pounds of nicely clean, no shells, nicely peeled, deveined shrimp. 2 pounds of it. This is a 31-40 size, about like medium to large kind of size. And my garlic is nice golden brown, not golden brown, like slightly getting there, like the edges are golden brown. I'm gonna add the shrimp. Come on now, dude. Look at that. Looks so good. Before we add the sauce, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine. If you don't have, just use white wine, that's fine too. To deglaze the pot, that little garlic bits that stuck on the bottom of the pan. Did I say deglaze to the pot? Deglaze the pan. That's what I meant. This shrimp will take like a couple of minutes to cook, so make sure you do it over high heat quickly. I'm gonna pour the sauce that we made earlier.
Eventually gonna need some liberation. I'll cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have a wild imagination.
Okay, I think they have about like 10 seconds to finish right now. And this is the time I'm gonna add the green onion, chili, and cilantro.
So silky, up under the down we fly. Clean it up just to make it feel, yeah.
off the heat. Last finale, sprinkle with some fried shallot or French onion. Nice crispy texture and the flavor. And of course, when you're serving it, serve with some lemon wedges or lime wedges. Squeeze some juice in. Make sure there's no seeds goes in.
See you next season like you are spring. It's getting
All right, guys, it's done. It will be really amazing with my macaroni salad or some cooked rice with some furikake like this. You can buy any brand that is available for you, but I really like this Korean one because I'm Korean.
Yes, please. Yeah, this one could be yours.
Oh, thank you.
You want the chili?
Nah, I'm good, thank you.
What? Miss Spicy Queen doesn't want the chili?
Oh, that's the merch I should make. Mrs. Spider Queen.
She about stabbed me with that fork, dude. On guard. Careful.
Spicy Queen.
Spicy Queen. Chan. Chan. This spicy garlic shrimp will make you happy.
Also happy. You just toast like maybe some noodles, like spaghetti, linguine. So good, so refreshing, delicious. Guys, if you liked my spicy, I was like, what was the name for this dish again?
Spicy garlic shrimp, dude.
Spicy garlic shrimp. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you haven't for more delicious inspirations of my idea of Asian home cooking.
Delicious what is it? Some more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking.
I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
And I'm Jacob Longus.
And this is Asian at home. I said Asian home cooking.
This is Asian at home, dude. You know the name. You know what it is.
This is Asian at home. God, I cannot believe it.
Cut. This is Asian at home. And we'll see you next time.
I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
And I'm Jacob Longus.
And this is Asian at home. And we will see you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah. And if you make my recipe, please take a picture, ching ching, and tag me Seonkyoung Longas on Instagram and Facebook so I can shout out to you. Like your picture and comment on your picture. Love you guys. All you do is eat, no matter what.
Baby, I'm so far gone, but I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? That this is the way it should be. This is the way.